Hey guys, and welcome back to another vlog. So, you notice anything different? No? I'm pretty sure you did, because you know it's the first thing that you saw when you clicked on this video. I got a new intro, and if the quality seems different, then it is because I got a camera. So like I said in my chit chat, get ready with me, it's all about upgrading and getting new equipment so I can produce better quality content for you all. I am going on vacation, as you can tell by the title, and I'm not going to say where I'm going yet. I'm going to leave that for part 2, but if you follow me on Instagram, then you know where I am going. Actually, no, you don't know where I'm going. I just posted that I am going on vacation. So today is all about prepping, because I do work tomorrow and I don't get off until 9:30, and my flight is on Thursday morning. So I have to get myself prepared for that, because I am running on a tight schedule. So for today's agenda, I have to go get my toes done. I gotta get my toes done. I have to clean my room, wash my clothes, wash my brushes, start packing, and I think I'm gonna go to Ulta or Marshall's today to pick up a traveling kit for my face products, because I can't be out here with products just spilling in my bag. That's not cute. And for my nails, because my nails are looking pretty janky, I'm actually doing those tomorrow night, right after I get off and I take my shower and I finish packing or double checking my bag, because I'm gonna pack today and then double check tomorrow, because I don't want to leave anything behind, because I'm gonna be pissed. And it's not like the place is around the corner where I can drive back home. No, I'm getting on the flight. Oh, and another thing, I have to try to find some sanitizer wipes, but if I don't find any today, I'm definitely taking some from my job. So hey, it's hard times just to be clean. The first place I'm gonna go today, let me see, what time is it? Oh, I need gas. Let's go. Hey. Attitude nasty, thicky with the fatty. If you don't know who Kinderman is, then y'all need to get hip to sis, because she is really, whew, Jesus. Alright, so I just left Ulta. Target didn't have any headphones. So then I accidentally went to Ulta. So I'm gonna do a mini little haul. So there's that. But I went and picked up some more facial wash. This is the best facial wash I've ever used, from Formula 1006. Some body butter from Tree Hut. This is a new one. I haven't used that one yet, but it smells good. This is the coconut and pineapple extract shea butter. Foot cream from Soap and Glory. Up some more concealer, my Milani concealer in Warm Tan, because y'all know I was scraping the bottom of that. And then I picked up this lip gloss from NYX. This is the Filler Instinct Plumping lip gloss. I cannot speak. and this is in Brunch Drunk. That's what it looks like. So up some vivid bright liners from, I'm sorry, these are the Shockwave liners from LA Girl. Got a pink, a yellow, and a black. And all right, so back in the house. I just got a Caesar salad from Panera. I didn't get anything to drink. I'm gonna just drink some water because I need to be as hydrated as possible. First of the month, that means get a clean room. It's a lot of packages I have to send back. Like, I did a lot of online shopping, but it's probably like, out of the shopping that I've done, I've ordered like big packages. So at most I have to send back like 3 items from each package that I ordered. I don't even think they gave me a doggone fork. Some shoes I need to return. So shoes that I'm returning, cover-ups I'm returning, jeans I'm returning. I actually got them from Missguided, and Missguided has some of the best jeans out there. Yeah, this is my first time ordering jeans, like actual jeans, and not shorts or pants. I know how their pants are. Their pants fit really well on me and they're true to size. But like I said in my Pretty Little Thing haul, it's very hard to guess what your size is online because the site may say it's a 8, but if it's like a 6, or if it's like stretchy material, it's not going to fit right. So I did get a 10 in those jeans that I picked up, but I'm not going to show you guys because they're going to be in a little haul when I redo my closet. Litty titty. But I'm going to eat, come back, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm packing, and that's the game plan for today. Here's my boutique out. So we have an all black fit, we have a brunch fit, and then we're doing all red for the bathing suit. If you do hear some blowing noise, it's my fan because it's hot in here. So for my black fit, if you haven't seen my Missguided haul, then you need to go check that out. I did show a few pieces that I'm taking with me. For example, this belt right here. This is a part of my black outfit. Big Lotto. No, we for the streets. So when you see me, nigga, don't speak. Oh, how ass trick ain't ready to snitch ass in bed. We can't teach. Gucci, cause I'm a very freaky girl. Get it from my mama. I'm not with the games. I'm with all the drama. Easy to do, like, you cannot get all black wrong. So these are the 2 bag options. This one is from, both of these bags are from Boohoo, I believe. Well, I know this one is from Boohoo. I think this one is from Boohoo as well. Let me see. Oh, I've worn this bag before. Don't remember where I did. But anyways, that's the all black with these black pumps that I got from Simi Shoes. Now, this is one option, a denim dress from Zara. These shades I got from Shein. I think both of these shades I got from Shein. Yup, because this was in my Shein haul. This bag is from Boohoo with some pumps that I got from Ego. Just some mules. Bodysuit with these pants from Missguided that was in my recent haul. these two bags. This one is from Shein. This was in my Shein accessories haul. So are these shades right here. I love these shades. These are definitely coming with me. And then I was thinking about this bag. So a baby pink bag. The camera is doing something funky with the color, but that's baby pink. And then these two pump options. So, and then these are the two shoe options. Quick question for you guys. How do you fold your clothes when you're packing? Like, do you just do like that and just toss it in, or do you roll it like a burrito? I think I'm gonna roll it like a burrito. Put my outfits on top of each other and roll it like that, because this is a pretty big suitcase and it came with 3 more, but I'm only gone for Thursday. I'm really only packed for 4 days, so I don't want to bring too much. I don't want to overpack, because I feel like I'm going to. If I had like a reason to overpack, I feel like I'm going to on accident. So I'm going to try my best to fit everything in one suitcase. Mine is like my carry-on, because my carry-on is going to hold my makeup, because I don't want that to get crushed, because if it does, then I'm gonna be pissed, because makeup is expensive. So yeah. And then with this suitcase, it has like a little flap, so I can protect my clothes on one side and then have my shoes on the other side, so they won't be touching and getting all dirty. So that's what I like. Baby, I won't tell if you won't tell. People that you figured out, I was just a number. There's a stairway to heaven. Would you fly? Alright, so it is actually the next day. I just got in the house from work and from the store, so I am finishing up packing. So this is what I have so far. I have shoes, purses. This is my makeup bag, and on this side I have my clothes, bathing suits, sunglasses, lotions, and some extra shoes right here that I don't know if I'm packing or not, neck pillows. And then for my carry-on, I have my book bag, and I have my makeup brushes and some palettes inside. And I'm going to put my camera equipment and my laptop in, because I have to edit and all that good jazz while I'm away. And then I still have to do my nails. Like, it's a lot I have to do. I'm doing the gradient effect with my nails. I got these press-ons from Amazon. It was about, I think it was about like $8-9. I'll leave them in the description box below if you want to get your hands on them. Because I have blue toes, so I just wanted to keep it in the blue family, but that's neither here nor there. So I have a lot to do. I have to finish packing, do my nails, take a shower. Did I say finish packing? Finish packing and like straighten everything up before I leave in a couple hours, because I have to be at Mayana's house at 5. So I have 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. a little under 6 hours to get everything done. So yeah.
Because you're fun.
Okay, so it's 1 o'clock right now, and I got my nails done with my little press-ons. This is the box once again. Hello, focus. Yeah, this is the brand that I picked up from Amazon. My bag is ready to go. I just have to put my facial wash and like my toothbrush and stuff in there, and I'm gonna do that when I leave in a couple of hours. So I'm going to end this vlog here. This is part 1 of this weekend's adventure. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.